I'm Monroe, and this is Work It Wednesday. This Wednesday, we're going to learn about the torso rotation. This is a machine that will work your side obliques, get those nice and trim. First of all, of course, we're going to wipe down this wonderful machine, all the places where we will be touching. If you'll come with me right over here, you will see that we also have the opportunity to put what resistance that we want or how much weight we want to turn. So I'm going to use 50 today. This little lever right here will give you 5-pound increments. So if I put this in the second hole, it'll be 55. So I'm going to keep it here at 50 at the top. To set your seat, what you want to do is make sure that your shoulders are into the pad. So I'm going to come sit in here, scoot all the way up, and make sure my shoulder comes into the pad. Change that weight. So the resistance knob up here. For beginners, I would say, you guys, you might want to start in about the third hole. So you're going to scoot up to the machine, put your shoulders into it, exhale, and just rotate. Don't let you shouldn't hear a bunch of noise like this. Just nice and smooth, and rotate. You don't have to come out of the machine to go to the other side unless you want to. Make sure you do the same thing over here. Put it in the third hole. Scoot back up, and then rotate to the other side. Very easy for the good results. Nice trim obliques. See you next time.